Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson DC29. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Dyson DC29 is making a strange noise, you're not alone. This is a common issue that can occur due to a failing motor or debris clogging the vacuum's pathway. Ignoring this problem can lead to further damage, resulting in a more costly repair down the line. It's vital to address these noises promptly to maintain the efficiency of your vacuum cleaner. For this repair, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a replacement motor, and a soft cloth to clean any dust or debris. First, ensure your vacuum is unplugged to avoid any accidents. Begin by removing the dust container and the filters to gain access to the interior of the vacuum. Next, locate the screws that secure the top cover of the Dyson DC29. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully unscrew these, applying just enough force to avoid stripping the screws. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the cover off, taking care not to damage any nearby components. Now, you should be able to see the motor. The strange noise typically originates from here when it is on the verge of failing. To remove the motor, first, disconnect any cables attached to it. Make sure to remember where each cable connects, as this will be essential for reassembly. There are usually 2 or 3 screws holding the motor in place, which you'll need to remove using your Phillips screwdriver. When you're ready to extract the motor, gently wiggle it while pulling upwards to free it from its mounting. Be cautious not to disturb any other components nearby. Once the old motor is out, take your new replacement motor and position it in the same spot. Secure it with the screws you previously removed, ensuring it's tight but not overly so to avoid any damage. Reconnect the cables, making sure each one clicks into place securely. At this point, if you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now, it's time to reassemble your vacuum. Place the top cover back onto the Dyson DC29, ensuring it fits snugly. Replace the screws, securing the cover in place. Finally, put back the dust container and filters. Before you plug it back in, give the exterior a quick clean with your soft cloth to keep it looking fresh. To prevent this issue from reoccurring, make sure to regularly clean the filters and empty the dust container after each use. Additionally, avoid using the vacuum on surfaces where larger debris might get lodged in the motor. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.